Hello everyone, my project is design and control an emergency portable ventilator. I divide it into four parts. First is motivation, second is our innovation, third is result of study, and fourth is the future developments. Firstly, what is the situation in Vietnam recently? As you can see, in this COVID-19 pandemic, many hospitals are striving for ventilators. And this just only the fourth wave. What if fifth, sixth, or even more dangerous respiratory virus in the future? So that is our motivation to do research and build our own ventilator. With the same idea, there are some research about DIY ventilator at international and national level, but all lack of sensor and function. To fix all these drawbacks and combine the advantages of current ventilator, we came up with a solution that is specifically built for COVID-19 patients. And we have three key innovations. First is the precise control, second is affordable and scalable, and last one is extensible and open source software. First, our ventilator is capable of control precisely three parameters: flow, volume, and pressure, depending on the chosen ventilating mode. And we can also adjust other crucial parameters. We also have a real-time setting and monitoring interface. Second, our target cost is 30 million Vietnam dong, and 90% of parts can be bought locally. All of them are designed in simple modules for the easy and quickly in assembly that does not require any specialized skill to manufacture. Finally, our code is extensible and open source for the community support and improvement in a limitless way. That could be controllers or ventilation mode. And this is a result video. We have built a prototype for develop the software and evaluate the simulation result. The graph is plotted in real time, and we have the parameter setting on the left panel. On the bottom left corner, we have the red LCD displaying the real-time flow rate. In the future, the priority is to improve the performance. Meanwhile, we get advice from the doctor. Next, we develop more advanced mode, better controller, and adding physiology model. We also consider IoT capability, build AI mode, and improve the portability and affordability of the machine. And that's all. Thanks for listening.